Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. Guys, I've got an amazing review to do for you guys today. This is by a very much amazing company called Bond and Regent Luxury Pens, and my order came literally within the next day, guys. I'm absolutely amazed by this amazing company. These are the two very much prestigious pens that they have sent to me to review, and I'm gonna unbox them for you guys to see. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, and always make sure you like all of my videos, because I have a lot more amazing videos coming for you. Now guys, I'm gonna go and unbox this amazing pen so you guys can see what you're literally in for. Guys, as you can see, this is a very much prestigious, well put together, high caliber pen, because if you compare these two together, can you see the difference? I totally love the packaging. Good quality packaging, very well packaged, it won't be damaged. Now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open it so you guys can see this amazing pen. So guys, as you can see how beautiful and stunning these pens are, by Bond and Regent London. The material is, I have a black material pen and a silver material pen. The ink color is black and the point type is medium. It's a luxury grade and it's also very finely crafted, and I believe that success should always be celebrated. And like, we should never limit ourselves. Like, who cares if we're going over the top of the pen? Like, in the field of work that I'm in, like, these are the sort of pens that we use. And guys, you don't just have to be an academic, you don't just have to be like someone working in an office. You can literally get this as a present for someone, because these are very prestigious pens and they're very sweet to the eye, very nicely packaged. So guys, as you can see, it comes with and by the way, these are actually sculpted by Fine Craft Council. And as you can see here at the top of the box, you will be greeted with Bond Regent London. At Bond and Regent, we believe in celebrating success with the good things in life. We understand that details matter and that quality should last. Get a 10-year warranty extension free plus. Guys, you can't get any bougier than this. Honestly, this really matches my aesthetic. Guys, look at how this just sits in the box. And guys, it is so heavy, this pen. So heavy. Guys, I'm absolutely stunned. Guys, I don't even want to touch it. And inside it comes with a spare, I don't know what's going on with my camera. Well, this says spare ink, guys. Sorry that it's not coming up, but it says spare ink refill, and it comes with both pens. Now guys, if I take this out, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So soft. Oh my goodness, guys, the pen is literally heavy. You can really feel that it's very well made. Oh. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Let's see how it writes. Oh my goodness, guys, this pen is absolutely amazing. Like, I had so much stuff to do today, and I couldn't be bothered to even do work. But literally, just because of this pen, I'm actually going to go ahead and do some work. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. And guys, I just really like the crown that they've constructed on the pen, and it clearly says Bond and Regent with the cute crown. Let me get the silver one out, because some people may be saying, no, I want to see the silver. I like silver, guys. I wouldn't lie to you guys, these pens are so prestigious, so prestigious. Honestly, I can't wait to get these out in the office. I cannot wait. Guys, get your orders in. These are on Amazon, and they're around, I think they're just under £50, just under £50. I'm going to put the link down below at the bottom. Amazing. So you guys can get your orders in. And guys, look at how cute it's wrapped. Honestly, look at the detail. I'm a person that, you know, very much hung up on details. I'm absolutely pleased with this company. Absolutely pleased. And I'm honestly going to make some more orders, because I literally wanted to give one of these away. But this is even too good to give away. Guys, get your orders in. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.